Chapter 2. From Chips to Drives. Tech Surf. In this chapter, we will learn data and storage, input devices, processing device, output devices, storage devices. Data and storage. A computer is an electronic device that works according to the given instructions. It has ability to accept data in the form of raw facts and figures such as numbers, characters, and other symbols. This data becomes meaningful only after processing by a computer. This processed data is called information. The input devices are used to enter data into the computer, which is then processed by the CPU. The processed data is then displayed or printed using the output devices. Input data. Processing of data. Output information. Relationship between data and information. Input devices. The devices that are used to provide input to a computer is called input devices. Some commonly used input devices are given as keyboard. It consists of various types of keys like alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, etc. You can provide input to a computer by pressing the keys of the keyboard. The process of pressing the keys is known as typing. The keyboard that is most commonly used is known as a QWERTY keyboard. Mouse. You can point at any icon on the computer screen by using a mouse. It usually consists of two buttons left and right and a scroll wheel. The different actions of a mouse are click, double-click, right-click, scrolling, dragging and dropping. Tech Insights. Keyboard was created by Christopher Sholes in 1868. The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in the year 1963. The first trackball was invented by Tom Cranston and Fred Longstaff in the year 1952. Trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer. This is a ball which is half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball, the pointer on the screen can be moved. A trackball comes in various shapes like a ball, a button or a square. Touchpad. A touchpad is widely used in laptops. Its working is much similar to a mouse. You can move the mouse pointer on the screen by sliding your finger over the touchpad. Tech Insights. Emile Berliner invented microphone in the year 1876. Microphone. A microphone is used to input voice, music or other sounds into the computer. It has many applications such as telephones, hearing aids, motion picture production, etc. Tech Insights. The back of the computer case has slots where we plug in other computer components like mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc. Scanner. A scanner scans text, pictures or other documents and stores them in the computer in digital form. You can edit the scan matter, save it on the computer or share it on the internet as a file. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is a technology which is available in smartphones and laptops. It enables a user to interact directly with display screen with finger. Webcam. A webcam is used to capture real-time videos and images in the computer. The images and videos can be shared across the network with your friends or relatives. Joystick. Joystick is a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball at its both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical ball moves in a socket. The joystick can be moved in all the 4 directions. Light pen. By using the light pen, you can write the text, move the pointer and select the objects on the monitor screen directly. Tech Insights. The first joystick was invented at the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory by C.A.B. Myrick and patented in 1926. The first light pen was invented by Ben Gurley in 1959. Graphics tablet or digitizer. A graphics tablet enables a user to create drawings on the computer by hand. It is commonly used at computer-aided design CAD terminals, engineering workstations and online tutoring schemes. Graphic tablet is also known as pen tablet or drawing tablet. Digital camera. A digital camera is used to capture images. It stores the pictures in a memory chip. The pictures can be easily transferred to the computer and can be stored or edited or printed on connecting the camera to a computer. A digital camera is also known as Digicam. Magnetic ink character reader. Human-readable characters are printed on documents like check using iron oxide. These characters can be read by a mica magnetic ink character reader by recognizing the shape of the character. Tech Insights. Mica was invented in the year 1955 in the month of September. Magnetic strip reader. Magnetic strips are present on many plastic cards such as credit cards or ATM or debit card, etc. The magnetic strip is built onto the card which contains various information provided in the form of numbers or digits. These information on the magnetic strip is written only once and is then never changed. To read information on the card must be inserted into a magnetic strip reader. The magnetic strip reader is capable of reading the information on the card accurately. Smart card reader. Smart cards are basically of 2 types, memory cards and microprocessor cards. Memory cards have only a memory chip. They allow only some predefined operations on the card. However, microprocessor cards allow for other operations also on the data in the card. The microprocessor card has memory chip as well as microprocessor components. You can add, delete and manipulate the data on the card. Optical mark reader OMR. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is used where one out of a few alternatives is to be selected and marked. Optical character reader OCR. OCR is used to read a printed text. OCR scans the text optically, character by character, converts them into a machine-readable code and stores the text on the system memory. It is a widespread technology used to recognize text inside images, such as scanned documents and photos. Processing device. The processing unit of a computer is known as the Central Processing Unit CPU. The CPU does calculations and carries out many other functions. It is known as the brain of the computer. Parts of the CPU. There are 3 parts of the CPU. ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit. It does all the calculations like additions, subtractions, etc. CU Control Unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other parts of the computer what they should do. Memory unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Output devices. The output devices show the result of work done by the computer. Some of the common output devices are as follows. Monitor. Monitor is the most commonly used output device. It displays both text and pictures. Monitor is also known as the Visual Display Unit, VDU. LCD monitors and plasma monitors are used nowadays. The output displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. Printer. Printer provides information on the paper. The printed copy of the output from the printer is known as hard copy. A hard copy can include both data and pictures or even figures on it. Speakers. Speakers allow you to hear sounds from the computer. Storage devices. Storage devices are needed to store data and information. Such storage devices are used for bulk storage of programs, data and other information. Some such devices are as follows. Hard disk. It stores all the data of the computer system. Hard disk is present inside the system cabinet. It is a spindle of magnetic disks called platters that record and store data magnetically. Because the data is stored magnetically, information recorded to the hard disk remains intact after we turn off the computer. Tech Insights. First hard disk was introduced by Seagate in 1979, which could hold 5 MB data. Compact disk. It stores large amount of data. It is circular in shape and can store approximately 700 MB of data. It is a portable device easy to carry. It is also known as CD. CDR, it is called recordable CD. Data once recorded on it cannot be removed. CD-RW, it is called rewritable CD. Data written on it can be erased and new data can be stored on it. Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc. It is an optical storage device used for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. DVD is similar to a CD in shape and size but can store a huge amount of information. The storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Tech Insights. A Blu-ray disc is an optical storage device with storage capacity more than DVD. It utilizes blue-violet laser to read and write data. Memory card or multimedia card. A memory card is a type of storage device that is used for storing media and data files. It provides a permanent and non-volatile medium to store data and files from the attached device. These are commonly used in digital cameras and mobile phones. Pen drive. Pen drive is a small portable device that stores a very large amount of data. It works faster than other storage devices. A computer has a number of points into which you can plug in various devices. These are called ports. A pen drive has to be plugged into the USB port of the computer. Tech Insights. Reliance Industries Chairman, Mukesh Ambani announced a significant upgrade to Jio's cloud services. Jio users will now receive up to 100 GB of free cloud storage. This move strengthens Jio's focus on AI and cloud technology. Data Vault. The devices that are used to provide input to a computer is called input devices. You can point at any icon on the computer screen by using a mouse. A microphone is used to input voice, music or other sounds into the computer. A touchscreen is a technology which is available in smartphones and laptops. It enables a user to interact directly with display screen. A webcam is used to capture real-time videos and images in the computer. Joystick is a pointing device, which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. A digital camera is used to capture images. It stores the pictures in a memory chip. The CPU does calculations and carries out many other functions. Printer provides information on the paper. Speakers allow you to hear sounds from the computer. Hard disk stores all the data of the computer system. CD stores approx 700 MB of data whereas DVD stores up to 17 GB. Memory cards are commonly used in digital cameras and mobile phones. Pen drive is a small portable device that stores a very large amount of data. Tech bytes. Data, raw facts and figures such as numbers, characters and other symbols. Typing, the process of pressing the keys of the keyboard. Touchscreen, a technology to interact directly with display screen with finger.